Alright, this time we're going to be looking at the female gametophyte and the structure that holds the eggs and the archegonia, and what holds the Archegoniophore. So it is again kind of this umbrella-like structure. It would be attached to a thallus again down here, that leafy-like structure. And then coming up from that would be your kind of umbrella-ish thing. And most of that is just going to be sterile tissue. But we're going to have some specialized organs. So this is overall is the Archegoniophore. Arca for female, goniophore, the structure that holds that. We're going to have some special structures that are kind of, they look like they're hanging down. Little vases hanging down. And those are the Archegonia, or plural. And within the Archegonia, at maturity, there will be an egg that develops. The Archegonia kind of has this long neck and then a swollen base to that base. The neck is where the sperm will swim down, and then the swollen area is the venter. And that is where the egg can be found. So the Archegonia is each one of those structures. Archegonium for singular. And then the egg resides inside that vase-like structure. And Archegonium is singular. Or just one of those. Okay, and then we have the egg inside. Alright, I'm going to add some color. Alright, so one last item we need to include is the diploidy level of each of these organs. Once again, everything you see in your image, that is all going to be haploid. So the Archegonia, haploid. The venter, haploid. The egg, haploid. The Archegonium for singular is still haploid. The entire structure, the Archegoniophore, haploid. And the thallus is also haploid.